Hey there, it's Lee from TemplateLauncher.com, and welcome to our Steve Jobs favorite template landing page. We're really excited about this page, and obviously we think Steve Jobs might enjoy it as well. But let's jump in. I'm going to give a quick rundown of what this template is, how you can use it, and all the different functionality that's included with it. So first off, you'll notice we have this template geared towards uh, iOS or mobile app launches, but it totally doesn't need to be geared towards that. The background images and the images you'll see in here are all changeable, replaceable, so you could take out these iPhone images and put something else in there. We just thought it went well with the nice, modern, clean look of the white page. So notice we've also got animations on this page. As you scroll down, you'll see the animations. You can turn the animations on or off, but I'm going to get to that here in a second. I'll show you everything. So here we have the header section with a download now button, a link out to a gallery if you'd like. We also have a couple navigation links here as well, and a place to put your company logo. As we scroll down, we have a nice little section showcasing just a couple highlighted features for your app or whatever you use this page for. Another nice little section here, large feature image section, place to show off a gallery if you want, or multiple images, just another large place to show a nice engaging image, and then finally a place to subscribe to a newsletter or add a download now button, whatever you like. So without further ado, why don't I head on over to the builder and I'll show you how to use some of the functionality of this template. Alright, welcome to the Lead Pages builder, and as you can see we've got the template loaded, and first what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through the template launcher control panel. This is our own proprietary control panel we built. We keep adding new pieces of functionality and features to this, so one day you might open this template and see something new in there. We're always looking to make improvements and add value. So to access it, you'll notice you have the Lead Pages dashboard over here. You'll head over to this yellow tab with the gear on it, click it, and our control panel will pop open. In the control panel, we've got drag and drop functionality, the background functionality. You can swap out different background images, textures, and videos for each section of the page. An animation library, iPhone assets, which I'll get to in a second, and this how-to video. So first, let's start with the drag and drop. Drag and drop is awesome. It gives you the opportunity to really maximize the value you get out of this template. It gives you the ultimate flexibility because you can rearrange the page however you like. So you can, let's just move around and see what happens. See, as you can see, you can rearrange the page order, move feature 1 up to the top, feature 2 up to the top. It's as easy as that. And then notice that some of these will say click to reorder when you hover over them. That means you can swap the column positioning. So if you want to right align the images, you can have it here, or you can swap it with column 1. So that's it. Really simple to use. We love this functionality. It really, you can use this template for so much more than just a single page. You can use it for A/B testing, all kinds of different possibilities with the drag and drop. Let me put this back into the correct order. I'll put the welcome back up. There we go. So the next thing I'm going to show you is the background library. Pop it open. First thing you're going to do is you're going to select your section. We tried to name these as intuitively as possible. If you ever forget, come back here and you'll see the same names and it'll highlight the name of the section. So we defaulted to this main section above the fold, and let's go in and change some of these different settings. Okay, so right now we've got the parallax scrolling set to on. Notice how the phone background image stays in place as you scroll. That's the parallax scrolling. If we turn it off, notice how it scrolls with the page. You can do this again. You can do this in every section. So let's just leave it on for now. Another thing is if you wanted to change the background color, for example, or the font color to a lighter color, if you change this to white, it's going to be against a white background. So we added this overlay opacity so you can use different font colors, highlight different text, overlaying background images and textures. So that's what that's for. And then finally, we've got our library full of over 200 images, textures, videos, and colors. And to swap out a background, all you do is click it. That's simple. And we've got a whole bunch of great royalty-free images in here that you can use. Feel free, use them as much as you want. If you keep going, yeah, here we go. Whole bunch of great images. And then, like I said, textures, videos as well. This image is actually pretty cool. I really like it. Let's try video. Drop it in. And we can adjust that overlay as well. You can also turn on and off parallax scrolling with the video backgrounds. Unfortunately, you can't do a custom background video at this moment, but what you can do is a custom background image. So let me show you how that works. I'm going to change this back to the default. And to give you the full effect, I'm going to close our control panel. You'll head over here to the Leadpages dashboard, head to the welcome section. And the way this works is we've got multiple layers of images. We've got the background layer, which features images and videos from our media library that I just showed you. You can turn that off. You go to the custom background, click on image, and here you can add a custom background image, like so. Pretty cool. And like I said, you can also turn on and off the parallax scrolling for this section as well. And you can go one layer deeper. If we hide that background, we can head over here and we can set a custom background color to any color you want. So we'll head to the welcome background. There you go. Really easy to change these out. But I'm going to go back. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to turn back on our original background, and I am going to set it to on. Cool. So that is the background section of the control panel. So I'm going to hide the background section. Let's go to the animation section next. So right now the animations are set to off. To turn on the animations like you saw in the preview, all you do is switch it to on. Make sure you hit save and it'll save those animations. But if you want to take it a step further, you can actually customize the animations on the page. So this works just like the background section, where you select the section you want to edit, and then you select the element in that section. So let's go to the welcome section, we'll go to column 1, and let's select the animation. Okay, and in column 1, these, keep in mind that not every element in every section is you're not able to animate every element in every section, only certain elements. So, for example, in this welcome section, you can edit column 1 and column 2, which refers to these two buttons here. So, let me do this again so you can see. Notice how that swings. Let's go down to this next section, the About section, and we will test it out here. Oops, this is the About section actually. We'll test this out. Notice how, and again with these, when you make these edits, you need to make sure to click save, but it will save that animation, and then when your page loads, it will load that the animation that you've set. So I'm going to turn it back to off. That's it. Really simple to add custom animations to elements throughout your page. Next up, we've got iPhone assets. Like I said, this page, we've themed it more towards the iPhone or mobile app downloads, but you can also use it for anything else. But if you did want to use it for the iPhone or iPad apps, we've included all the PSDs, the Photoshop files that you can download and add your own screenshots to, and then you'll just upload the image. So just click that button and it'll fire off a download, and it'll start downloading your computer, you can open those files in Photoshop and then add your own custom screenshots to the images and then upload them back here into the landing page. Beyond that, the last thing we have here is this video, of course. If you click that, pop open. You can watch this video anytime if you have any questions. If there's something that you come across that we didn't address in the video, feel free to contact us. Go to Templatelauncher.com/contact. You'll see our emails there. We also have a form. You can email us directly through that as well. I think that's about it. One other thing I want to show you is how some of there's a few additional features that we've included in the page. So I'm going to scroll to, let's go to this Feature 2 section. Okay, I just want to show you that if you hide a column like that, they will automatically center up. But one thing you need to be careful of is sometimes when you're hovering over a section, you may hide something and it's still visible. So notice how everything in that column is hidden and this is still off to the left. Well, you need to make sure to hide this column to center everything. Really, those are the only not so intuitive pieces of functionality in here. Otherwise, everything should be pretty self-explanatory. And if you're familiar with the Lead Pages Builder, you'll know how everything works. But thank you again so much for checking out our video, checking out our awesome new Steve Jobs favorite template landing page. Wow, that's a mouthful. And thanks again. Have a great day.